They used to call Tanto Blacks a madman. They used to refer to him as a clean clothes madman, right? And they used to say that it was all hype and gimmicks. Marketing genius or a bloody idiot. Marketing genius or a hyperactive fool. Winner, tweet, me acting up. Who we come to talk about today? We come to talk about Tanto Blacks, man. Big up Tanto Blacks. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. Is your host with the most. If a man call him picnic them, name him picnic them, Twitter, tweet, little tweet, and tweet them. People go to say you're crazy, right? Alright, and that's what they have called Tanto Blacks in the past. But you see from Tanto Blacks, nothing don't know about Tanto Blacks from you come out and a flashing hands up, and a flashing foot up, and I say tweet them, Bluetooth, and they're sitting there and people are laugh off time and say what? Look at the old idiot there, right? Moral of the story today is this. When you start on your journey to where your destiny is going to take you, a lot of people are going to laugh at you. A lot of people are going to say, boy, they are some, only idiot to know, watch him. But because they can't understand what you're doing and them can't see your vision because your road cut differently. Remember, we're all individuals, right? Anyway, I'm going to read a story on Tanto Blacks from one of my favorite papers, The Observer did. And then me I left SouFLoTV's own spin to this story, right? So, all it takes is one sentence from the Sinjay Tanto Blacks to have you toppling over with laughter because Tanto brings comedy and all that to him thing, right? But this jovial DJ is very serious when it comes to marketing himself. He believes that proper marketing keeps him relevant. And last summer saw him on several New York gigs. He shared his strategy with a couple of papers. I wasn't booked for a lot of shows, but I went and I looked for them because I saw the need to market myself. I begged some of the artists them like Elephant Man and Sizzla oblige on their events and they oblige. So big up to Elephant Man for that and big up to Sizzla Kalonji for that. And they oblige. And I got a few minutes and white people them like the vibes and the energy and them say, them like me like him enough, book him again. Like the rest of other shows that I wasn't booked for, I just begged the artist them oblige. Me at the event and I heard the MC say, he is going to call on one of the richest artists. And because me know say me rich, me just run on. But him didn't refer to Shaggy. You see? He said it while he was laughing. So Tanto Blacks is currently one of the most in-demand dancehall acts. His single Real Rich brought him a lot of attention. He's expected a similar response to his latest Weight and Lifestyle Rich. Despite his lyrics and his flashy lifestyle, Tanto Blacks said in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, was quite the opposite. Life showed me some of the worst days there was, but now I am living the best, Tanto said. The lanky entertainer said he now uses his own experience to encourage the other youth them to believe in themselves and to go after their dreams, regardless of what anybody wants to say about them or regardless of how people want to laugh after them. Understand? Follow your own destiny, Tanto said. Tanto said it was during his teenage years that he realized that in order for him to achieve his goals that he needed to be literate. Because one time he was big and couldn't read and write. So he could get himself registered in a one place named Jamal. Well, enough of Jamaican, old school Jamaican, remember Jamal. Because Jamal is now defunct, locked down, no longer exists. Another thing we need to talk about on other videos, how them cut out the educational program them that was government funded and a charge everywhere you turn in Jamaica now is either you pay for education or. So, anyways, Jamal is now defunct. Jamal meant Jamaica's movement for the advancement of literacy. And it was a state-sponsored literacy program. So now if we could get to you go over Jamal, we couldn't afford no further education and them thing that and got themselves literate, educated, right? His Tanto Blacks' determination for success sent him on a 3-year quest to the televised contest Magnum Kings and Queens of dancehall auditions. 3 years in a row in auditions for Magnum Kings and Queens. Big up Magnum Kings and Queens because they really make some stars also. Where he exited in 2010. Later that year, he recorded Anything You Want. If you remember, anything you want, me give me girl. Come over me and let me see me girl. May I tell you. Anyway, which was produced by resident judge Orville Scatter Burrell. Big up Scatter, right? The DJ said he is currently working on new tracks which will be released with top production entities in short order. I just like to see all the people that are around me smile and feel good. Now that's rich. That's real rich. Alright, so SouFLoTV come to talk about Tanto Blacks a little bit today. Let me say this. I did a special one time, right? I did a video on a next one with them called Click, because this is how they used to, and it was the same thing about L.A. Lewis. Now, when SouFLoTV did the special on L.A. Lewis will get a forward right now again, even though it cost me after I did the video upon him, because the video caption in the icon, it said, "Genius or crazy." And the people that come on and shell him down in the damn comment section, me didn't want to handle the man so rough and do him so. You understand? Me didn't want to actually give serious thought to it. Is he really mad? Is he really certified crazy? Or is he a genius, a marketing genius that believes in himself so much that he is a bit eccentric? Geniuses are usually a bit eccentric. The people, the crowd, always want entertainment. But people tend to forget that to have entertainment has to be something outside of your norm. Otherwise, you're not entertained. It'll be the same mundane, same everyday in and out. An entertainer like Tanto Blacks, if he was walking down the street looking regular, dressing regular, speaking regular, behaving regular like the masses do, no one would consider him entertaining. No one would want to put him on a stage and be entertained by him. It is the things that he does. He might flash him foot out the car window. He might put out his hand. He might climb out the car window. He might say tweet, tweet, and Bluetooth. And then talk and we and clap him hands so and him always make up a new dance and them things. These are the things about him that make people look at him like a crazy person and classify him as a crazy person. On one of the shows on one episode of Talking Man, Tanto Blacks did that on there. Big up Talking Man and big up the mark of them, Richie Feelings and the whole crew over there. So True Gift Entertainment at Talking Man. Talking Man 25th part of it just dropped. I watch it last night and pop up. But anyways, this is about, I think it was the 24th episode, if you go check that with Tanto Blacks on it. 24th or 23rd, one of them, I might be wrong. Tanto Blacks was on there and Tanto Blacks talk about how people said. Watch you all eat that now, because first when them see me in the street, you know how when you see Madman in the street, some people will say, yo, me give you $10 for dance. And the Madman are doing little dance, and them video camera it, videotape it, and cruelly and wickedly exploit those people. Because they put it on the internet for the world to see, and I make fun of the people them, right? Just because you want your little video to have 100 million views or whatever. They thought they were exploiting him. So everyone they see him, they used to say, do that again for me now. Do something where you do for me now. And Tanto Blacks used to do it. And he's saying, go there and he kick out his foot so and him, tweet, like a tweet, you know I'm doing thing. He said him no. He knows that when he walk away, the people that are laugh behind him back and I say, what y'all idiot? Go on now. Oh, dumbass and fool and all these kind of things. What they don't know is that Tanto Blacks is a marketing genius. In my one of people them, so SouFLoTV here I want to do. Come down outside in the comment section and talk to me. Talk to me. Tanto Blacks to me, SouFLoTV is, and I've said it before, is a marketing genius. The youth know how to put a show together. He knows how to entertain. He knows how to make the crowd move. He know how to sing on a rhythm. He know how to choose and select him rhythm them. Yo, it's a whole package. The man know how to dress on the outside to be entertaining. That means that when he come on the stage, in presence alone, I'm going to make the audience pay attention to him. Then when he open him mouth and go on with him antics now, and body movements alone, I'm going to make you see Tanto Blacks run and drop on the stage, dive and drop. When he dive and did that drop on the stage, I said, Tanto will fly out from now on. A lot of people come on and take entertainment so seriously. Them a talk about, look at them, cooning and buffooning again, monkey in the jungle or something, white people exploitation and everything. I'm not into all that bullshit, man. The youth come up out of Spanish Town, right? Nobody never feed him, no one was minding him, no man was paying him any mind when he was struggling to get to where he's at. Tanto said the Benz them there and them need maintaining, them need maintenance, and the range soon flying and them things that people dismiss him. The man come out and him say, tweet, little tweet, Bluetooth, tweet them. He come back now and him say rich and real rich. Everybody take off rich and real rich again. The man is creative, very creative. You have to be creative to live in that realm that Tanto lives in. So, in my opinion, Tanto Blacks is a genius. I don't know what you want to call him, but I would be interested to hear what your view of him is. And I expect now that a lot of people are going to be on the bandwagon, or as y'all call it, dick riding, because that's how people are. Everybody fights you down when you're trying to build something and they can't see your vision. When we did a personal story, when we started building SouFLoTV, you see, I started off by being one of those people that used to go and comment on other people's channel that I was interested in doing those kinds of topics. And me used to go comment over there and me used to actually beg them in a comment section, yo, give me channel a shout out in your next video or something. I look back now and I realize how pitiful it looked, because none of them was paying attention to me. They wouldn't even read me comment. Give me a little thumbs up, say something, nothing. And I had like 10 views and 15 views, and all of my video them did I get 10 views, 15 views. 3 weeks later the video have 60 views. Or not even. If the video did get 60 views, I used to be very excited. So nobody was willing to help. Everybody was very disrespectful in the comment section. I rough up my thing. Hey boy, go find a 9-to-5 job or something you can't survive on. Alright, when the thing take off, right, because I stayed steadfast at what I was doing, and I honed my craft and I perfected, even though it's not perfect, but we're getting there, right? Because this won't be it forever. We have big plans for SouFLoTV and we're going there. Just like how Tanto Blacks started out and had big plans for himself, and everybody, not everybody, but a lot of people doubted him and were laughing at him. Couldn't see his vision, same thing. I understand perfectly, exactly where he's coming from. Hear me, I said, big up Tanto Blacks from SouFLoTV. One of the people that come on and talk up the things there. No fun right now, I'm going to say, yeah, big up Tanto Blacks. But were you one of them that used to A, not pay any attention, or dismiss him when he came out because you thought he was just a gimmick in the beginning and he would soon fade away? Or did you actually think that he was a marketing genius and you saw where he was going with his vision? Talk to me in that comment section. It's SouFLoTV. I'm up out of here. Peace. And that's rich. Real rich.